All right, we just had a little mahi coming up in the spread, and Eric dropped his little fancy little spitbill, shitbill ballyhoo.
Some Eric's been talking about that he read in the magazines for the past 10 years.
Yeah.
I have to do it, man. I have to try it.
But did the old bait and switch routine with his little shitbill ballyhoo, and freaking actually hooked it up.
There he is. There he goes. Oh, shit.
Decent little dolphin.
A little peanut.
He's going back in the water.
Oh, that's a peanut.
Need to bring him back over here, so I ain't got to walk over there and get that rod.
Peanut! Say there, peanut.
Hey, that ain't a bad dolphin.
Actually,
He's a little bit bigger now.
Yeah. Heck yeah, man.
it might be a box fish.
No, he's going back.
Nah, box.
He's going back.
Box.
That's a boxer there.
fish-
One more.
No.
Just this is the last one.
The last one goes back in
No,
the
we
water.
promise.
Look.
We promise this will be the last one.
Last one goes back in the water.
No, we promise.
Actually, dude,
That's a decent fish.
The last one goes back in the water, man. It's good karma.
This is the last one.
Dude. The last one goes back. It's good karma.
actually, we kept smaller ones.
I know.
Too.
That's what I'm saying. Let's go back.
See how he's hooked.
One last one.
Send his ass back, man. Let him get bigger.
I say one last one. That is a nice dolphin.
Actually,
Heck yeah,
that's
man.
a keeper, dude.
That's
I'm
a
sorry.
keeper.
And he's a bleeder.
He's dead anyway. That is
Hey. Bait and switch, baby.
That
I
was
love
kinda
it.
cool,
That was
actually.
fun on a spinning rod. That was fun on a spinning rod.
Heck yeah, man. That might not have been the same fish. The fish.
It didn't look like that little on Greyhound.
Yeah, that little that one coming up greyhound was I think
That was
smaller
fun.
than that.
Can't find my pliers.
It's all right. Hold him
Damn
up.
boat dirty, didn't you?
Hold him up there.
Hold on now. Get a grip. Get a grip. Get a grip.
Eric, it'll take you a long time to get a grip. Hey,
Nice fish. Hold him up here where I can see him.
There you go. I finally used this rod for something.
Heck yeah, man.
not a bad little mahi.
No.
All right, let's put him in the box. Last one. What's up, Hammy?
Oh. Ah,
How's it feel?
yeah, swimming 60 miles offshore. I love you, Mom.
Holy crap, look at that great white! All right, Eric.
Dude,
Should somebody stay on the boat?
it feels so damn good, man.
Oh my
All right.
God, it does.
You know what's good too? The exhaust off the motors. You can keep it in my face. It feels really good.
You ready? There ain't gonna be nobody on the boat. Y'all good with that?
What's up, Goggles Paisano? Goggles Paisano.
60 miles offshore.
Man, you're missing a lot of bottom paint.
Shut up. Remember, you said that last year at the dance. Man, it's beautiful out here. What a damn day, man.
Hold on.
That exhaust is wonderful.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's part of the picture.
see fine just without goggles. All right, guys, that was awesome. Man, that felt good.
Oh, it felt good. Yeah, that's a good idea.